Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Thematic back at it with another video. And this one I'm going to be switching my wheel spacers over. Nothing wrong with them. They were the right fitment, but they were my buddies I borrowed from my first video to put on the stock wheels. But I have a set at home. I'm going to swap them out with my set, and so I can give him back his. So this is a video of how to put on wheel spacers. They are Hub Centric. That's the ones that you want, so you don't get the vibration while driving. These are 20 millimeters. They sit just right with the stock wheels if you're looking for fitment. As you can see here. So it comes right out with the body. Actually pokes out just a little bit, which looks good to me. In the fronts, I have a 15 millimeter, and you can go 20 with the stock tire size, but these tires are wider than the stock ones. These are 285s on the front, 285 35 20s. Stock is smaller, so you can run the bigger wheel spacer on the front if you have stock size tire. And the reason why I'm running bigger tires is for more traction. And my rear tire size is a 315 30 20. Let's see if we can see that. Yep. And also I have the racing lug nuts that I didn't swap over on the front, so I'm gonna do those as well. So these lug nuts are a 19 millimeter. I'm gonna loosen them up before I jack it up.
She bringing all her friends to my show. In the crowd, she go through my phone, she do the most. I'm looking like a mobster with my bros. Yeah. I know you smell it on my clothes. I hit the gas, then adios.
So these are the wheel spacers I was using before. They're 20 millimeters, and I'm swapping them out for the same size. Just a different brand. Looks like I'm gonna have to make a trip to Advance Auto. This is not fitting inside the wheel spacer, so I need one without this rim guard on it. So I had a 19 in my toolbox. That was a 1/2 inch. So what I was worried about.
Oh, adios. My new bitch, she so bad, she do the most. She cooks, she clean, and she buy me clothes. I had to tell my own hoes adios. Park the foreign body coast. Me and all my bros got all the dope.
So what makes it Hub Centric is this ring fits around your hub perfectly, nice and snug, so it's no movement or vibration. And these are the safest style wheel spacers that you can get. So when you're tightening bolts, you want to go the opposite So when you tighten this one, you want to go to this one or somewhere, just so it's seated nice and flush. Now we have to torque them. Anywhere from 100 to 105 foot-pounds of torque was recommended for these spacers. I'm gonna set it right at around 105.
She do the most. I'm looking like a mobster with my bros. I know you smell it on my clothes. I hit the gas, then adios. I had to tell my old hoe adios. My new bitch, she so bad, she do the most. She cook, she clean, and she buy me clothes. I had to tell my old hoes adios. Park the foreign by the coast. Me and all my bros got all it dope. If you hate it, yeah, you do the most. I had to tell my old hoes adios. I'm looking like a mobster with my bros. I know you smell it on my clothes. I hit the gas, then adios. I had to tell my old hoe adios. My new bitch, she so bad, she do the most.
Fitment has the other ones, same size. Let's see if I can get a better angle.
Supercars, in the garage, all them hoes, it's like a mirage. Yeah, them big coupes, yeah, them white bodies, hugging 2 lanes. Don't you try Audi, my car like 3 Porsches, fill them G-forces, spitting blue flames, spitting blue flames. All them big coupes, yeah, them white bodies, hugging 2 lanes. Don't you try Audi, we spit the blue flames, we spit the blue flames. We hugging 2 lanes, we hugging 2 lanes. You pissed off, spend all that money on that Rari and just slide.
The video on this one, I did not end up changing out the front lug nuts to the Raise Racing because the socket I got was kind of cheap and it was scarring the ones that I did in the rear, so I didn't want to scar any more of them. So I'll be doing that in another video. But have the spacers on now and they look good, so I can return my friends. I'm pretty sure he's waiting on them. So. Looks pretty good. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I needs it. I needs it bad. Lord knows I need it. Also, check out my bonus video, a cool 1500 horsepower GTR launching on the street. Pretty awesome. Stay tuned for the next video. Swoomatic will be back at it. Oh yeah.